In today's world of smart control interfaces, control panel switches are everywhere, from medical devices to industrial machines. But have you ever wondered how they are made at scale? XuFeng Electronic has always been committed to the design and manufacture of high-end control panel switches, membrane switches, capacitive touch control solutions, and touch switch module solutions for global brands, development, production, and assembly. Precision starts with automation. Every control panel switch we produce goes through automated printing, laser cutting, and SMT patch processes. From simple touch points to complex multi-layer integrated circuit buttons, we can complete them in the factory to ensure that each product is stable and safe before delivery. Quality is never optional. XuFeng's quality assurance system involves circuit continuity testing, temperature humidity resistance simulation, drop, vibration, and abrasion tests. Whether it's a medical touchpad, industrial machine interface, or consumer electronic switch, our goal is to deliver long-life, high-accuracy operation in every unit. XuFeng Electronic products are widely used in home appliances, medical instruments, smart control systems, security panels, and vending machines. No matter the industry, we offer OEM, ODM flexibility, support small batch prototyping to full-scale mass production. At XuFeng Electronic, we don't just make control panels, we help you build better user experiences. Looking for a reliable manufacturer for membrane switches or touch control solutions? Let's start your project today. Contact us to get your custom solution made.